The dog who doesn't want to go out in the rain. I'm trying to let him make up his own mind about going outside. He's gone out a couple times, gets his feet wet, and then turns back around and comes back in. I keep giving him his own. Oh. No, you got too wet, bud? You can do it. Mama says you can do it. You're a good boy. You got this. You got it. Good boy. Go potty. Oh, no. You can do it. You can do it. It's a good boy. I know. Keela already went outside. Now it's your turn. You do it at daycare. I'm trying not to force him. I want him to make up his own mind. And it's warm enough to leave it open. He's going to try it one more time, hopefully. You can do it, bud. Good boy. No, you're not going to do it? Oh, you can do it. I think he went to the back bedroom to look out the window. Are you coming back, bud? Hanky panky. Here he comes. You can do it. You can do it. You're brave, aren't you brave? Your sister was brave. Good boy. He's going to turn around and come back inside. You poor bud. Oh, Hanky. It's a good boy. It's a good boy. You can do it. You can do it, bud. I have faith in you. You can do it. Oh, buddy. Is it really that bad? I tried going out with him and that didn't make him go out. So I'm just trying to get him to do it by himself when he really, really, really has to go. Because I feel like eventually he's just going to go. I really do feel like that. 2 steps out, 4 steps out. No, it's, nope. Oh, buddy. That's a good boy. It's, oh, come here, bud. You're a good boy. I know. It's wet out there. You gonna try it? You're gonna try it, bud. You can do it. All right, well, we're 3:24 into this. If anyone really is going to watch it this long, we're going to try again.